Go. Morning, good morning. Welcome. Let me change the date real quick. There we go. Sheesh. Let's remove these analysis. Good morning, good morning. Go fresh for today. Go. Going down on that weekly. Daily we rejected a little bit from this level right here. Yeah, I'm going to be looking for buys above this 4-hour high. Seems like. Because if we rejected it hard and start breaking the high, what's the probability that we start mirroring the move here to the left? It's pretty high, right? Good morning, good morning. Hello, Louise, BW. New tunes, yeah, this one new tune. This one new one. Did you take some buys yesterday? No, I only took sells yesterday. Yeah, I do see that we rejected pretty hard from that 4-hour level. So I'm really looking to buy it potentially right now. Not right now, but when the setup comes, you know. Yeah, Master, it looks pretty good. I think it should be good. And then our first target's right here. We're on a couple pips away, and we'll start breaking that. We have a clean range up to the top. Should be good. Turn on this thing. There we go. Yeah, this is coming up slowly, I think. I mean, price already made its bottom wick, so once we start breaking the daily current high, I think there is a high chance of continuing back up at least to 70. I mean, there's some news coming up, but that's not now. Thank you, Paul. See, that's not now, so I'm good. We do have some news for the pound, but we're not really looking deep into that. Take a second look at that soon. First gold, that's more important. Yeah, we just need to have a little close above that level, and then we should continue moving up. Clean traffic to the left, or clean move. Back to around the same momentum. Good morning, Ravik. and like recive. Take a little look at this chart in a second. Yeah, also, if we reject again, if we make, maybe we're gonna make that daily top wick higher up, and if we reject again, we might fully fill the previous daily candle wick right here, because we did close below at the end of the day. So sells below here, buys above level. Oh. Buys above here. And then we're looking for sells below that daily low right here. Sells below. And then for me, target's going to be here. Target buys. Target sells pretty easy as well. You can see on the screen. Around this zone is going to be target sells. There we go. Yeah, around this level. Don't really try to get to the bottom too much. It's an important level though, so watch out for that. Rather sell till the bullish candle ends and keep on pushing it. I mean, yeah, runner can push through, but let me do this. Masterpiece. So complimenting. You watched the breakout yesterday? No. Well, I saw a price creating that support. I was looking to buy it, but didn't really do it yet. So, let's see. There we go. Yo, what's up,
Hey,
man?
good morning.
Alright, man.
Morning, everyone. Good, good.
Sometimes okay to do
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
You might want to pin yourself on the YouTube, click on your
Yeah,
camera thing.
good like this. Okay.
Yeah, so we're looking at the same thing on gold. Break
Yeah,
the
pretty
4-hour
much.
high. You got like a 16 pip wick fill, and then I think a pretty good
Continuation.
target is gonna be like to mirror that exact candle to the left, which is like 28 pips.
Yep.
Daily, based on the daily time frame, runners can definitely run if we are gonna go bullish.
Yo, yo.
Yo, okay.
Hello, hello.
There you go.
How you doing?
Don't unmute yourself, otherwise you can't unmute. Don't mute yourself, otherwise you can't unmute yourself. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. What about you, man?
Yeah, good, good.
Perfect.
Charts are looking good today, so hopefully.
4-hour break at the high. Should continue moving up. I don't know if we
Yeah.
want to take it impulsively. We're probably gonna wait for a little close, maybe.
Yeah, because it's already moved up.
Yeah, I mean, I made a support right here at 64, but that's still like 40 pips of 63. It's still 40 pips away from where we want to, you know, buy off from. What's the name of the song in the background? It's called Caballero by Offchain.
Yeah, I had a buy stop, but just remove it because it was
Take a look.
very close.
Oh, really? Oh, damn.
Yeah, I was like, nah, I don't. I'd rather wait now. Looking at it, 7 minutes left to go. If it flies, it flies.
GJ is pushing up. Look at like a liquidity grab. Pretty clean traffic to the left. And news in around like 8 minutes. Should be good. I think if we have a close above that zone, we should continue moving up, but I don't know if I'm still a fan of GJ.
Nah, not today. Previous 4-hour closed like rather unfavorably, and their daily resistance is only literally 10 pips away, 12 pips.
Saw that too. It looks a lot bigger until you start measuring the range, and they're like, "Oh shit!" Look, what time do you usually go live? 7:30 CET, or what's it in EST? I didn't even know. 6:30 GMT. Price is pretty much grabbing orders to gain more momentum. Lollipop. I mean, it makes sense for price to start pushing further up because there's like a clean candle to mirror, right? Just don't know when I get involved with GG anymore. And as they said as well, this candle just closed weak, but it did grab orders probably, and it's breaking the high right now, so it should continue moving towards like 620. But yeah, and you have that news right here, so let's see.
Bring over the tunes to the Zoom as well.
Oh yeah, sure.
They're pretty good.
There you go. What if I optimize like this? Is everything getting better now? Or
What's on the Zoom?
yeah? What happened?
Oh shit! The screen went away. Like it looks all pixelated.
And now?
Still black.
Yeah,
That's
now it's
good.
back to normal.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I'm looking at the same thing, Mamba. Same thing, break up the... That's pretty much a daily high and 4-hour high. After that, we should continue moving further up. Don't really want to take it impulsively, but if this candle closes like this, we're going to be creating a 50-minute support on that level. So...
And if it breaks the 4-hour high, then that's also a break of this bearish structure coming down since like Friday morning. And then we might see the weekly start to form a top wick to retest the highs at 1904.
Yep.
Yeah, we have some high impact news later on into the New York session, so that might affect the volume of gold.
Yeah, that's the only thing I'm looking at as well, but we're pretty far away, and last time it was all good as well, so...
Yeah, exactly.
Not that, like, If I see an opportunity for it, I'm probably gonna take it anyways.
How was this session yesterday?
It was pretty good. It was pretty good. First took sells, but a little bit too early, and then took the correct sells after. So.
New York?
Oh no, in New York. No, in New York we didn't take anything. There were a couple opportunities, like 3 of them, but all of them were impulsive, and I didn't really want to take one more impulsive entry. I was like looking for like a structured setup rather than impulsive. So didn't take anything.
Yes.
That makes sense. Makes sense. Just continue moving, especially once we break the previous high. But we're coming up to this resistance right now, so there could be a time that we're going to be stopped. But bias up in place, so hopefully it keeps on moving for you. Try and not get wicked in maybe on this point. Are you going for GJ buys in 2 minutes? Nah, I don't know yet. I mean, it looks good, 100%. Price doesn't have a bottom wick on the 30-minute time frame. Maybe I'll take it if we make a bottom wick and break the high after a couple minutes. And I think yeah, might have a probability to really start pushing up. But yeah, that's the thing, Miguel. I was looking at the same thing. You have this zone here to the left. If you look on the daily time frame, you have this level right here, 506. That's 7 pips away, right? The target's probably gonna be 620, but it's only 20 pips, and that's okay on GJ. But I'm just not feeling GJ. It's not my thing anymore. The way it moves, the way it pulls back, the way it just look, do you robot for trading? No, I don't. Do it for yourself. Don't try and let a robot do it for you.
You should be your own robot.
Yep. Go. Close. Now, for me, it's showing more of a rejection. Going up without bottom wick anyways, so not interested. Here we had a candle close bearish on gold, that's pretty good. I could tap that level again and continue moving further up. I don't know if I want to take it directly, but it should be good. Yeah, so I don't advise to go with a robot. I've seen a couple people do it, and yeah. First of all, they go deep into drawdown without stop losses most of the time. Yeah, and some trades just don't make sense at all. Morning, I like John. GU buys stocks. No, we're at resistance right now. You need to wait for candle to close above that 230 zone. Well, yeah, 230, 233 zone. But at least you broke out on the 1 hour time frame. Maybe you'll wait for some level to form, but you still have this level here to the left, so you want to be clean at that level. Maybe what you could do if price starts coming back up right now, you could maybe take an impulsive buy right here. Have around an 8 pip stop. Continue moving further back up. I think that should be good, but I don't really advise you to, because if you look on the 30-minute time frame, yeah, you can already probably say so yourself that I think you first need a little support for him before you're gonna buy him. Most people say, yeah, but this is support. No, we don't have any bearish closes right here. So maybe wait for this candle to close bearish and the next one to break the highs, and then you should continue moving up. I think that should be good. The gold, sir. Yeah, we're waiting on gold as above, and it's gonna be wick fill slash first target, and then second targets are gonna be probably here 77, around that. Yeah, 77 around that, and then full target for me is gonna be 81. It's gonna be, if you look on the 4-hour, rejection level right here. So let's see. Are you ready for gold if that level breaks? I'm waiting a little bit. I mean, it's going up right now. It's engulfing the previous 15-minute candle high. But do know, like, a 15-minute breakout is not going to be the same as a 4-hour breakout. So you're probably going to see some pullbacks inside the break. There you go, it just broke.
Yeah. I'm not in it yet. I did
No.
have a buy stop, but then I canceled it since it's the first half of the thing.
Yeah. I'm waiting a little bit longer. AMC to the moon. I don't know what it is, man. That's the thing. I don't know if it's gonna break directly, right? So. I rather want this candle to just close, because at the end of the day, in this entire zone we can buy, so doesn't matter if we buy at the bottom here. Once you start going up anyways, there's clean traffic to the left here, so there is enough time for us to buy.
Yeah, you just want to see like a weak bearish 5-minute candle, and then boom, once it breaks the high, it's off. I'm gonna catch the second leg up.
Yeah, it should be good. I don't like the wick to the left. Yeah, we're trying to fill that wick, but let's see. Breaking above to profit range. Yeah. AMC, what's that then? I think it should continue up gold, but I'd rather wait. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for too. Gold could also do a wick fill on that daily, and once it start flipping and re-breaking its own low, then I'm gonna definitely get into sells at that moment. I probably even do that impulsively below this level, because there is a clean candle right here. So I think once you start breaking like 58, 58, 4, 58, 2, we should continue moving down towards that 47 level, like 100 pip range. Yeah, made this bottom wick. Once start breaking the high, it should continue moving further up. Now the only thing I don't like and why I'm not going to take it is because the daily level, and just because of the TJ. Yeah, it should continue moving up, but it's like, I don't really want to be in it, to be honest with you. Well, smack TP 604, got in at 400. Oh, you got a pretty good entry. Very nice. Morning, good morning. Come on, stop loss. Will you have on gold? I think on gold it's hard to have like a very small stop loss. Like most stop losses are like 8 to 10 pips minimum. So yeah, most of the time between 8 to 15 pips is the average stop loss. Sometimes they're going to be bigger. It depends on what time frame you're trading as well, but like a 5 pip or a 2 pip stop on gold is not going to work. It's going to take you out straight away. Yes. Really? Oh damn. That just flipped. Pretty much retested this area and flipped. Damn. Yeah, gold's still at the same level. That's what I mean, like, you break a 4-hour high and it's not gonna just jump directly all the way up, right?
You want to see this last 5 minute of this 15-minute close like weak bearish, but still above 1867 point, let's say 600, and then once it breaks the high or the 15-minute high, it can definitely continue up.
That makes sense. Oh really, ED Ali, hey look, yesterday on London session you said if price reach 45, it will fly right up. Took a risk and put... Oh. Damn, man's... You're a savage. And it literally did that. No, I said yesterday on the stream, if price touches 45, we're gonna fly back up.
Oh shit.
And this guy actually put a buy stop right there.
Damn, he's got balls.
This man just, oh my god. On the way down, probably grab this. Yeah, probably buy limit, buy stop, because if it touches through and it comes back up, it activates. So, but damn, you got balls to do that, man. Holy. It's funny that you took it though. 20 pip stop loss, 220 pip target. Worth it to me. Yeah, yeah, I understand. Understand. Sending love from Malaysia. Welcome, welcome. Let's see. We're about to close in like 2 minutes. That's gonna be a good entry right there, 68.3. Let's see. You have a stop loss below that level. Let's see, we're gonna close above him. I know it's breaking the previous low right now. We might go back to 66 and then start breaking up. But let's see how this candle closes. We got 1 minute left for this candle to close, so it can do a lot of things at the last minute.
Yeah, it's gotta close above those wicks to the left.
Yeah. Same thing. I same, had a buy limit on 45. You guys are mad. But it's funny that it worked out though, because it pretty much touched 44.6, tapped 45, and then starts shooting back up. Try to answer dumbass questions.
Bad vibe check.
Yeah. Fuck out of here. There you go. Yeah, we're closing above right now. Below right now, I mean. Nothing yet.
That's not a weak 5-minute candle over there.
Oh shit!
What the?
What was that? Just jumps up like.
It spooks you. It's like boop.
Oh damn! That was like a 6-pip jump right there. The candle can now open. I mean, if we have this 5-minute closing bullish again above 6, then I would still be looking. But let's see. Ooh, it's pushing up though. The only thing is that this 15-minute candle doesn't have a bottom wick yet. Yeah, I'm staying out of this one. Doesn't have a bottom wick. I mean, it's breaking up, I understand that, but could come all the way back to make a bottom wick first. If it does, then it's good, and I'm gonna be taking it. If it first makes a bottom wick. But seems like it's breaking already.
Yeah, depends how aggressive you want to be.
Yeah.
It is an opportunity, but not gonna take it right now.
Same. I'm ready for that 30-minute to close.
Yeah, that makes sense as well. Because then we're probably above anyways. And you just wait for 5-minute support before I'm buy out the 5-minute support. I mean, I understand if you're buying, if you're a little bit more aggressive, because we're coming up inside the range, right? But I just want to see a 15-minute wick.
I'm in some GJ buys, so we'll see what it does.
Ooh, GJ. Nice. On GJ, I'm waiting for target to be created. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense if it's just because you still have that daily level right here. 4 hour. Makes sense.
For me, it's like more base 1 hour broke resistance and that level, so it should just never come back into that range. I can understand it should make a target, like maybe a resistance or something like that, and have to break it, but because it also broke 4 hour high, I'd rather be in it here, like with my stops back in the range, and have to just manage risks than to wait and maybe miss the trade stupidly, I would say.
Makes sense. Let's see how this 5 minute will do. I mean, at the end of the day, if we're breaking up, that's going to be good because then we have a 30-minute candle close outside.
Plenty opportunities coming.
Yep.
And it all depends on how aggressive you want to be. This was an opportunity, but I wasn't comfortable with it. So
no, me too.
I mean, knowing gold, it's not finished, and the 30 minute can easily come back into the range and just close in the range.
Yeah, so many opportunities.
Especially in pre-London.
And even if after it closes above, I mean, the range to the next resistance is like 100 pips. So, I mean, you have plenty of room to get an entry,
Exactly.
I would say.
Look at the daily. Daily is like tasty. It can.
Oh, yeah.
And if you look at the weekly can create a bullish body.
But to be honest with gold, I was looking for sales. Like, I still think today we could go back down a bit because the daily close under support. So once we know that, we know it should now go to the next support and not come all the way back up.
Exactly. That's also something I was looking at. I'm like, that's interesting. It did close below.
This is why we're being careful. 50 minute doesn't have a wick down. It's coming back down right now.
Oh damn. Here comes the bottom wick.
You would have maybe been from the top right here, you would have been in like 6 pips profit, and now you're running 8 pips negative.
That's exactly what we said. The 30 minute can close, you come right back down.
Someone is butthurt. There you go. Yeah, that's why you have to be careful with cold buys at these moments. Jumping in isn't gonna do you all that good. There you go. Man's just trying to stay the hell out of here. But hurt because he can't be in a free zoom.
Yeah.
Are you in, sir? Gold is dropping. No, I'm not in anything. I'm waiting. Private message.
Oh, he's sending private stuff? Or...
No. Chase, what's up, man? There it goes, dropping like a bomb. big moves coming in. Yeah. Oh shit! You're doing real estate at the same time. That's pretty good, man. That is pretty good. I don't know, man. You're already doing good. You're in university.
Yeah, now on GJ, if this 5 minute close is bullish or even slight bearish, I just don't want it to break the current 5 minute low, because then it has a high probability in not closing weak bearish and closing back in the range.
Move over and over again, and I was taken out over and over again. That's why I didn't take the impulsive anymore. Yeah, it's very good, man. Like a lot of people would take sells once the candle started flipping or breaking the lows. I'm still looking for sells below that 59 level. I think that's going to be a good option. I mean, you could also sell inside this range right here, right? Once you start closing below 63, you could target that level. But let's see.
You could play the range.
Forex yo-yo is probably because of the news coming up.
Do you mind, Luke, if I talk about a bit of my thought process? Because I think
Sure,
other
ahead,
people in this GJ buys.
GJ. Go ahead.
No, it's just, I'm just like, for now, it's just the best scenario would be a very weak bearish 15. So once it breaks the resistance, then it should keep flying. That's a very Gucci scenario. But now I don't want it to break the current low of this 15 because of how strong this 5 minute support is. It should not come back down. And like I said, if it breaks that, then it has a high probability to come back into the range, and then that's not good. But I wouldn't bring stops exactly under that 5 minutes because it could maybe make a little bottom wick and break the low on the 5 minute, because those are weak confirmations and I have to still keep pushing bullish.
I mean, it makes sense, you know, you had the breakout, retest, you continue moving.
Exactly. So for me, my stops are like I would say three. But still the current 15 low probably. But if it starts breaking too much that 5 minutes, like now what it's doing, probably getting out. But as long as we stay above that 1 hour resistance we broke, I think we stay good to push.
Yeah, there's not much range over here on gold, but it does look good to... If it's going to respect this resistance, then it should continue on ranging and come down to support, right? So
yeah,
it looks good to do that.
5 minute close, strong bearish.
Yeah, I would say, like, I would be looking for sells once this 5 minute flipped bearish, but the thing is, it doesn't meet my criterias to take a sell. So But it makes sense if we're going to be respecting resistance. 4-hour resistance, we tried breaking up and failed to do so, and now we're breaking bullish structure. So if we're going to start breaking bullish structure with this 5-minute flipping bearish, then it should come down, it should be respecting this range, this resistance at 67,500, and you know, in a range, price goes from resistance to support to resistance, so it should tap into 1863 flat. But it doesn't, you know, score my criterias to take it. Mainly the range isn't there, so I would sit back and wait for either a break below or a break above, clean break above.
On gold, I am a level for maybe sales on under 64. Because the range is like 25 pips.
Oh yeah,
but it's still, I want
makes
to be careful.
Yeah, actually that makes sense. It's most recent level, previous hourly low as well.
Yeah, I was looking at the same thing. Set this range is clean right here.
Yeah.
How's GJ doing? But it's still.
It's
still
good.
okay.
It's, honestly, if this 15 closes like this, once it breaks the highs after, it's very nice to go.
Yeah.
And I'll be taking 50% off if it breaks current, 15 low, and if it comes back in previous range, I'm cutting off.
That's good. And you also have that 30-minute closing above, so that's good.
No, it's good. Because if this 15 starts breaking highs, I would say aggressive first one, a bit conservative, maybe second one, or even more conservative, close of the next 15 above that resistance, then it should just keep going.
Yeah.
But this, I would say, this is a setup of this is probably iron out, because now it made, like, I don't know, but for me it made a resistance. So once it breaks resistance on lower time frame with closes on the little bit higher time frames, like on the 30, 1 hour in the new range, that's very nice to keep going. Yeah, the close of this 15 is very nice. So once it breaks, I would say this current high on the 15, it's already nice to go. And we'll see what it does.
Here we have the close. Weak 30-minute candle rejecting. Five-minute close bullish without a bottom wick. Let's see. Yeah, I'm looking maybe with this 15 closing bullish but still rejecting. Let's see, maybe if this one breaks the low, it should continue down towards 64. Yeah, GJ looking pretty nice. The way it made a bottom wick. Should continue moving. Just have to wait for the correct setup on gold. Some already took those buys right here, and that's so gotta be careful. Yeah. Need charts coming in. If you have a chart that needs to be reviewed, send it in. Let's see where this 15 will close. If we have a 15 close above that 675 area, I'm gonna be looking for buys. If the 15 starts breaking the lows, we're probably going to continue down to 64, and at this part we might be looking for sells, because then we're going to break structure inside the range. At that moment we should continue moving down. Have a chart. I don't know about this though. Let's take a look. 2 buys, 61 and 66. Ooh, damn. Oh, wrong chart it seems like. And remove it one more time to get a correct one. Okay, fix it. Yeah, makes sense. I mean, this is already that retesting right here, but I'm probably looking at the fact that you're trying to create a target, then come down and then retest the target. Yeah. Five minutes, really not knowing what it wants to do.
A little bit of a waiting game today.
Yeah, that's good. There we go. Going up slowly. We need 9 minutes left for this 15 to close bullish, so maybe we're gonna see a good close above.
The GJ is taking its time, but it's as long as it doesn't move like in any like direction, I say it's good because it's getting closer to London Open. So, but if it starts breaking lows, from my direction for buys, nah.
What's your exact entry?
445, broke at a 1 hour high.
Oh yeah, I see, I see. I mean, it's okay.
Yeah, like it's, I mean, I'm already, like I don't have 10 pips on the line, so I'm already risking less. Now if it breaks this 15 low, I'll be okay, close 50, and now if it comes back in the region, closing everything.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yo, what's happening, boys?
Yo.
Yeah, good stuff.
Oh yeah, man.
I'm good. Yourselves, guys?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, with GJ, I mean, Frank, I see what you meant. Why your trade was break the high and, you know, sort of anticipate the push. But then I learned from that trade, if you remember, when we bought into 4-hour resistance. I think it was last week. With the London volume, we anticipated that the GJ will push through, and it did a couple of pips, but then came back down. It's sort of like a nearly similar scenario, but the good thing is that if GJ doesn't break the Asian lows, we're still bullish. And your Asian low is 331. So, So that's your zone, and if we don't break that, we absolutely bullish, and I am looking for buys. But with the news, I always tend to wait for at least half an hour for him to, you know, just to absorb everything, and then see where the market might take me. And because on Forex Factory, like Luke's saying, you have the yellow orders.
Yeah.
Man, on
I mean, I was thinking as well, it's like unemployment rate, that's not a yellow folder.
on FX Street app is like absolutely red. It's just like blinking red, man.
Yeah, I closed everything.
Yeah.
I lost 6 pips, so I mean, it was still...
It's good that the thing is you had a nice anticipation of GJ still pushing after yesterday, right?
Yeah.
The momentum we had from yesterday was absolutely shocking.
That's the thing. I mean, I was like looking at the 4 hours, like once this breaks 4-hour highs, like I do anticipate at least to go to daily resistance.
Yeah. I mean, makes sense, because 415 was 4-hour support. If you look to the left.
415, 4-hour support.
Yeah, it made sense because the 30-minute closed above that range, and I was like, I was looking for buys because 30-minute closed above that range. It was like, sweet, amazing. And but obviously the 15 struggled, and then 4-hour right now is rejecting the zone. So maybe because we made a new high right now, breaking the structure of yesterday, can we come back down and create a new higher low for us to push further up during the week? You know, because when we usually tend to break the structure, right, we always come back to, well, not always, but most of the times we come back to retest the zone, right? Any structural point that we broke through. I mean, I'll be waiting and seeing probably how London opens and everything. But for bullish side, as long as we still keep above Asian lows, I'm still bullish.
Yeah. I mean, now it made resistance. So once it, like I said, once that 15, now 30 resistance starts breaking, and we get at least a close or the very, I don't know if I want to get on the wicks, but at least if we get a close above that resistance again, then it should keep going.
Let's wait for this 15 on gold here. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead.
Oh no! I was just you mentioned 15, and I was like, yeah. If next 15 on GJ closes, maybe above 411, I might look for buys.
This is the already reason why I don't want to get involved in GJ, man.
Yeah, it's just like the previous 4 hour. I can say, yeah, we had the rejection, but look at the body.
Yeah, it's weak. It's a weak candle.
And it's coming into
look this level right here.
Yeah, and it's coming into resistance, so you want to be really careful. Sorry.
Yeah, I mean, a trade works, a trade doesn't work. For me, it was worth the shot. Like that's
100%, Frank. 100%. I would have taken as well, but I just wanted to see what the market will, fluctuate and where it will go with the news, right? Because I was expecting the big push out of news.
Yeah,
I was expecting to come to 600 with the unemployment. but it didn't happen. That's why I was waiting for the target, you know. But because then we would break through the daily resistance, which was 500, you know, another few pips away from it. So it was a little tricky zone, to be honest, but yeah, it makes sense.
I mean, like I said, I'd rather prefer once it breaks resistance in the zone, but because of the high time frame, that 4 hour, like I thought my stops are back in the range. It should, I mean, it does have a higher probability for me
Your
to keep...
stops, sorry, Frank, just quickly interrupt. If your stops should be back in the range, they should be below Asian lows, be below 300.
Yeah, true. But mine were like 350. I was like, for me, that should never like go back to that area.
100%, because this whole candle just engulfs 2 30-minute candles, right?
Yeah, exactly.
What are we getting on gold? We have the 15 closing above quite strongly, but 5 minute is rejecting actually.
You can see no momentum at the gold. Guys, like with gold, I would probably do the same. Like just wait for the target. Yeah, I mean, because we at the 4 hour support,
and daily.
Yeah, support resistance. Yeah, and it might reject, it might not, because it did once. You know, once it's stopping to do twice. So I don't know. Maybe just wait for the target. We go the whole day, right? Like
yeah, exactly. There's even New York, because this would be the first leg up. So inherently, first leg up is more risky, but the risk to reward is really favorable, so it does compensate.
Yeah, at some point, true. But you know, we always try to get in the beginning of the move, wanting to get everything, you know, like in and out quickly. But it's just maybe you just wait for the target, I guess, because then you know we got like such a huge zone to come up to. You know, it's like 77 level. That is 100 pips away.
Yeah, exactly.
And you want what, 10 pips like as your first target, right? So
yeah, 10, 20, 30.
Yeah, but you know, you aiming for 10-20% of the move.
True.
So that's not big of a move, big of a deal, because if you wait for the 50%, for example, to push now, then it's gonna make a slight correction to come back down on the lower time frames. You know, gold, and it did even yesterday, like on sort of like an hour. It was making lower highs or lower lows, but then on the 5 minutes, it's just creating support and resistances. So yeah, but gold, yeah, I'm looking at it as well, but I'm waiting for the target myself, because this is the 4 hour zone. I don't want to be in it, but I don't want the guys talk you out of the trade.
The only thing I see what might be a problem is this wick right here. Yeah, 15 close, but it's not going down with a bomb wick. So if you look at the 5 minutes, way too weak to buy off from right now.
Yeah, just need at least a bottom wick on the 15, and then a break at the high, and then that might consider that.
Yeah, me too.
But yeah, we are going against,
the only thing I'm looking at is this problem. If you look at this wick and this wick right here, this 4 hour wicks, which could be pretty annoying.
Yeah, exactly. And the 4 hour is still open, so it can, you know, be a little bit of a mess. I was anticipating somewhat better conditions once it broke the high to just keep going up, but it didn't happen. So now I'm gonna, you know, be somewhat more careful until this 4 hour closes, and then we have New York session, which will definitely do something.
It's delicate because we're tapping into this zone right here, right? That 68.3 zone, and that's like the previous 4 hour support zone. So I didn't even know. I'm probably only going to be looking for buys above 69.
69. Baby.
And if this 4 hours starts flipping and breaking its own low, I'm gonna sell as well to fill the previous 4 hour wick down.
Yeah, because you know it might reject that zone. We don't know. We still got more than 2 hours of this 4 hour candle. You can do whatever. You can even push on this 15, like making this wick and just fly from here. You know. So that's why we just need to be patient. Really need to be patient. And happy days yesterday, gold filled our target, right? Amazing. I didn't have a chance to look at the New York much, but 45 was spot on, as we spoke about it. 1845 was the zone.
Get it? Some buy limits.
Yeah, but
Let's not do that.
but yesterday, anybody that had the buy limit on 45, mate, I think they just
I called
so
it
much
out. It's a couple people did it.
really, because
Yeah.
that's a rejection with that candle. That is
Edie
absolute.
Ali took it. He put a buy
Oh my
limit. He
God.
said he listened to me and he put a buy limit. I was like, okay. And
Yeah,
he
that
just
was like a proper risky biscuit, but like,
called it out though.
yeah, because you would anticipate, right, that the 4-hour previous high low wouldn't get broken.
Yeah.
Just to push from that zone, because that's a daily zone as well.
Yep.
Yeah, the more I look at gold, the more I see like
It's simple. It's simple. You know where price
tiny
is
bits
going.
and pieces.
Yep.
Yeah.
You know, you see it's respecting the levels and then continuation after.
Yeah, with GJ right now,
Mhm.
yeah, it's breaking Asian low.
Yeah, that's
And
why I
it's-
didn't want to take any buys, because I'm like, we're gonna break out and
Yeah.
then this thing is gonna fly back inside. No
yeah,
problem.
you know what? Yeah, that might be the case, to be honest.
I'd rather take sells when it breaks up, because the 80% of the time it just fakes out.
Yeah, because you can see it, this 4-hour just rejecting 411.
Yeah.
It's just rejecting.
But
I was
if
just-
gold, wait, hold on. If gold is gonna move, it's gonna move in the last 10 minutes of
Yeah.
this hourly candle, to
Or
be
5.
Yep. Yep.
So,
You know gold.
yeah, I know gold well enough. So I am gonna look at how strong this 5-minute can close, and we might see an opportunity. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, so I interrupted Frank, I think.
No, it was just, I was just aiming for like, a little bit more, like of a push.
Mhm.
But it happens. I was wrong for this one. I was right yesterday. Risk management. I lost 6 pips today.
Probability.
Yeah,
Exactly.
and yesterday I made 10 pips. I made even
Friday, you made 100
gold.
pips, man.
Yeah.
What's 6 pips?
yeah,
Yeah,
but
you made gold yesterday as well.
yeah, go to. I made it was a bit tricky, but I made like 8 pips, but I secured 50 on that, so it was like 4 pips, but still, it's still a little profit. So, I'm still up like 14 pips. I lost 6 pips today.
It's good,
what
man.
it is.
Yeah, so the thing is, unemployment came positive as much as it could, right? Because the ease of lockdown, and then, everyone's hiring back and everything, blah, blah, all this kind of stuff, right? But then the other part is they extended the lockdown for another month, UK. And basically, if they're not gonna open up after that month, UK will be going into lockdown for another, 8 months, and until next year spring. And that is gonna be bad.
I'm not a fan of this 5-minute on gold at all. Because I had to close bearish.
Yeah, exactly. Had to close bearish.
Yeah.
We might see that on the 15. This 15 can close bearish.
Because if you look on 15, it's like bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish,
Yeah.
bullish, bearish. So what we can see, there's no momentum in that. And there's obviously, you can see that there's more bulls than the bears because of the candle sizes, but there's no momentum coming from gold. So just run away, because London is opening in 9 minutes. So we might even push before London open, and then, create a new target.
This hourly close above is definitely gonna do something. I think that'll be the thing.
Yeah, that's the thing as well. Like the previous 4-hour is still bearish, even though it rejected. It has like a very nice wick to fill. And this zone where we at right now is pretty much its zone. You might retest. Yeah, we already did that, but might give that one more push back up and then continue moving back down. Or we're gonna break the high at 69. At 69, I'll
69.
Yep. That's above that for our previous bullish wick right there. Because if you look left, right, it's also already a little bit, you know, not the best situation because this is a rejection right here. This is a candle stopping exactly at rejection. This is a previous support zone, so I don't know if the move is going to be the cleanest, even though this is clean, right? Let's see. I'd expect gold to reach 1895. Why would it hit 95? Show us. Please check a weekly time frame. Sure.
But watched Euros yesterday?
No.
Watched what?
The Euros.
Nope. What
Man,
about you?
Scotland got smashed by Czech Republic. The guy scored from the halfway.
Oh,
Halfway.
the football.
Shit.
Yeah,
Halfway.
Yeah, yes, bro.
Oh, shit.
Halfway.
What was the
That was
keeper
a-
How?
doing? Sleeping?
Oh my god. That's a 50-meter
Mate.
shot right there.
Mate, it was a banging goal. It just the way he whipped it, I was like, wow. I didn't even expect Czech Republic to actually win against Scotland. Let's start with that.
Netherlands is playing against Italy, right?
Yeah, I think so. I heard that.
That's gonna be a big game. Wow.
Yeah, for me it's gonna be interesting. I live in the Netherlands, but in Italy.
Today's France, Germany, guys.
Germany is
France
always
versus Germany.
It's gonna
Good.
be
Both of them are good, man.
bonfires, Frankie.
Yeah.
Frankie,
Yeah, I don't follow football.
Same.
The only
Sure.
thing I follow is World Cup because like that's like
Yeah, but Euros is nearly the same thing, man.
yeah, I watch the
Yeah.
finals and like I start probably like when the how do you say that in English? Like 1-8 for the finals. Like I don't know how it's
Euro, every single game of the Euro is like Champions League final.
yeah.
You just gotta imagine that. And that's it.
Now yeah, like quarterfinals I start watching it because then like people start more and more people started going to the bar and just like watching it and the vibe starts like getting there. So
Yeah. Oh, GJ, Frank, if this 30-minute doesn't close below this Asian range, still bullish, man. We're still
5
bullish.
minute close without a bomb wick. Let's see.
Yeah, next one can close like bullish, but bullish in a way that creates the 15-minute still weak bearish, and then next 15-minute or new hourly open breaks the 15-minute high.
Yeah.
Then that's gonna be it. That's gonna be the move.
Let's see. This candle just needs to close above the zone. If it doesn't
like for me it's like Augusta said, I'm not a fan of like all these small 30 minutes with these big wicks and
Yeah, and let's go. Ala mentioned as well. We want to buy into the 4-hour support as well as daily support, and that's why I was just like, I'm personally waiting for the target.
yeah,
Personally,
I wanted to take a sell, but I'm not gonna do it.
Wait, what? Where? On gold?
Yeah, cool.
the close is back in the range.
No,
Yeah,
not
if it
even the
closes.
close because it broke the lows.
What you mean buy?
Sell.
Sell.
Yeah, with this move. That was what I was expecting, but I was like, yeah, take it easy a little bit, wait for that 1 hour to close. I saw the lows of this kind of being broken. We had a 23 pip move down towards that level if we started breaking the lows, and I think it should continue moving down after the close. But I saw this happening, right? I could have entered at like 67.5, but I'm taking it a little bit easier. But I think it should continue moving back down.
For me, like, it's not a setup I would want to take for a second trade. But if this 1 hour makes top wick and breaks this 15-minute low, then I think it should maybe go down, because now the 15 is closing it back in the range.
I mean, this is what I was expecting. Very nice move down to break at that low. Should continue moving.
Yeah, it just doesn't want to close above.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I'm gonna take a sell. The only thing that put me off was a 5-minute without a bottom wick. That's why I said 5-minute without a bottom wick, because I wasn't looking for buys anymore at this time.
True. Then
Yeah,
you're playing the range.
Yeah, that would have
as
been
I
10
said,
pips.
there's
That's
no
a nice
momentum
paper trade.
for the British.
Yeah, it made a lot of sense for price to come back down and fake out. Made a lot of sense. If you look at the 5-minute time frame, see this happen over and over again. Candles getting weaker and weaker, stop breaking each other's highs, and then starts breaking the lows, and then yeah, it's time for price to just start moving down. Made a lot of sense, in my opinion at least.
Anyone know when's the date of the Italy versus Netherlands match? September 7th.
I have no idea, sorry.
Yeah.
Netherlands play in Austria on 17th June.
Cool.
Yeah, those gold sells made a lot of sense. Next time I'm gonna execute up on them. See a fake out happening. The only thing that set me off on this one is that 5-minute without the bottom wick. I was really wanting to have that bottom wick on the 5. And when it made a top wick and once it started flipping, I think that was the entry. Once it started breaking the bullish low of this candle right here. But go ahead. What do you want to ask, Master B?
Nothing.
Oh
no, I think maybe just like then you're playing the range rather than the range playing you, because then you're selling resistance, buying support.
Yep.
Master, who told you that the Netherlands will play Italy?
Well, they won against.
I saw somewhere too. Yeah.
Yeah, they won against this other team this Sunday, was it? And
Ukraine?
Yeah, Ukraine, and Italy was supposed to go against the winner of that match. I think that's what I heard, but I've got
No, bro. There's in Euro. There's groups, so Netherlands doesn't have Italy in their group.
Oh damn!
Who's it against then?
Fake information.
Yeah. Sorry. Luke, what did you say?
Who's it against now then?
Well,
Austria.
Netherlands have Austria and North Macedonia, as well as Ukraine, obviously. But
I see it.
yeah.
Italy against Wales.
Yeah.
This cell made a lot of sense.
Italy
Next
got
time,
interesting group, to be honest.
yeah. This cell made a lot of sense. Like a lot of sense. Next time I'm gonna be executing on that.
I think the strongest group is like Czech Republic, England, Croatia, and Scotland, and as well Germany, France, Portugal.
That's way stronger.
Yeah, like, but you know, and they haven't played yet, so it's really interesting. GG rejecting Asian.
Yeah,
Are you that kind of like football fan, like where you know every player in every team?
Yeah.
You play FIFA?
Yeah. I grew up, man, playing. Like I grew up.
Yeah, you were a pro football.
Yeah. So you know, I grew up. I watched every single game. For example, like Euros, right? I just tell my missus, sorry, we're not gonna see each other for a month and a half, you know, and just take it easy, you know. But yeah, football is just like a fresh water for me, a deeper breath. I just enjoy watching it.
Makes sense.
It can play, I don't know, man. It can play North Macedonia against Austria, and I'm just like, yeah, let's watch it. Like probably the most boring match ever, but It's just that ball running around. This is me.
Do you still play a bit of football, like here and there, or not at all?
Not really, to be honest. Not anymore. After those injuries that I picked up, I was just like, yeah.
I don't understand what you mean, Cody. Like, you need to put a little information in. I don't know what the lines are.
But trust me, I'm a hardcore football fan. I used to sleep with football ball, man. I'm not joking. Like, my mom used to shout at me, like, it's all dirty and that. She's like, who cares, man? It's mine, you know?
Nice.
How long you played football for?
Since I was 9. Yeah, 8, 9, yeah.
I played
Something
for like
that.
5-6 years.
Who, me?
No, not me.
Oh, you play? Oh, okay. Yeah, for me, it was just part of life till I'm 21. Yeah.
Do you have like, I don't want to say regrets, but like maybe like, I don't know.
Regrets? Yes. I do.
yeah?
I do. Yeah. 100%, man. I
What
do.
are they?
The only thing I'm regretting that I didn't stay a goalkeeper.
Oh,
Because,
Okay.
honestly, like, I'm not gonna say like I was a bad defender or was a good defender. I was okay. I was like, hardcore defender.
Mm.
But the thing is, I was a goalkeeper till I was 14, right? And I was okay-ish. I've been, me and my other mate, we've been told by one of the best goalkeepers in Lithuania. And basically, the thing is, I changed the club and I changed the position. I don't know. I just wanted to play. I don't know why. It's probably that, that child maximalism and everything. But then when I came to UK, I was like, fucking hell, UK have shitty keepers, man. I could have been the best in here. Like, they have amazing defenders. At some point, they like strong, big and everything. But then looking at the goalkeepers, I'm just like looking, okay, guys, I could have been the best in here. But yeah, that's probably my only regret. But I take it with a pinch of salt and happiness, I would say, because it took me here. So yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's the thing. For me,
That's life, right?
yeah, that's why I didn't want to say regrets, because for me, like, you can't have regrets. Everything happens like kind of for a reason.
For a reason.
So, as cringy as it can sound, I really do believe in that.
Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%.
what are the sports that you do next to football?
Sorry?
What other sports do you do next to football? Next to
Mate,
fitness?
I was the sports guy. You can put me play basketball, anything, man. Table tennis, I absolutely love table tennis.
Yeah, table tennis.
And then with the ball right around the table, that's more fun. Did you guys do that back in the days?
No.
Round the table?
No,
Oh
We did that
man,
in
you
school.
missing out. You did round the table?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that was
Of course.
sick, man. Round the table was the thing. The
the
plug.
thing is, we used to play in the corridors. What we used to do, just get a lot of papers and then use the sellotape. We used to tape the paper and just make it like a tiny ball, like a hardcore ball, and we just play in the corridors, man, until like we have a break. And that we used to do every single day, every single break. It was just like, mate, or if the teachers take out our ball, we either make a new one or just go play basketball, mate, or something. It was always around sports, man. Everything was around sports.
Yeah, for me, it was the same.
I couldn't breathe anything else, like I couldn't have any sort of other childhood without sports. I think that would be really boring for me.
I think sports is really great. It learns you so much, like discipline, just like perseverance, and I think everything that I learned, honestly, I think most of it I learned through all the sports I did.
100%, man.
We in elementary, we back in the days, like all those years, I was always too late because when we came to school, first half an hour we were at school, all the guys were footballing, and then came in class, and then every single morning you had to explain why you were too late, like every single morning.
Yeah, same, man.
by playing
But
sports.
I think without sports, I would have taken different route, and like not a good one.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I would probably end up using
In
drugs
the
or whatever.
ends, you know.
Yeah, honestly, because we sort of grew up coming from Soviet Union side, like, you know, the Soviet Union ended and we started sort of like growing into that. And yeah, I mean, it was some dodgy stuff, honestly. But yeah, I think just sport took that away. Any kind of sport, you know, took away you from the not right people, not the one to hang out with. Like, you definitely hang out with them at some point, but then, you know, you didn't have the time to do all that stupid shit.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm grateful for that, honestly, because, you know, I'm just thinking like, how could I have ended up at any given point?
Yeah, if you look back now, most of the time, when you look back at the people that were like that, you know where you would have ended up already.
Yeah.
No,
Or
honestly,
dead, or just still in the ends.
sports as a
Not
kid
really.
is, I think it's like almost like vital.
It's a must.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
must.
it's a-
Yeah, I was about to say it's a must.
Just, yeah, you learn so much, socialize, everything,
Yeah.
like, everything.
Yeah, even to do something like, mate, until I found football, like from 7 to 9, I tried mostly everything, like swimming, table tennis, karate, everything, like
Yeah, I try
even
out.
volleyball. Like, I love volleyball, but it was just like I didn't feel it. But then when I went to football, it was like, wow. But you know, it's like sports bring everyone together. You know, there's the endorphins, happiness coming through, and you know, the excitement, the little competition levels coming up. You know, then you can test your characters and so on and so forth. You know, so yeah, we had our coach was like a good Russian player. He used to play for one of the main teams in Lithuania.
Okay.
But he was a hardcore. He was a hardcore guy, man. I'm not gonna lie. We were like 13, and we used to run like a 22-year-old guys. You know, we used to run us like that through the forest, like 10Ks in 30 degrees Celsius, man. You're just like
30
you
degrees.
vomit.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you like you're absolutely vomiting. And then just like, okay, suck it up, you run again. So yeah, and I think that just built the character in us.
Discipline.
Like, yeah, like whatever happens, happens. Because if you, for example, talking through while he's talking, oh man, you don't want to know. You're just gonna run. The only thing you would do is
smash.
run, laps over laps over laps. Yeah, but that, like, at that point you're thinking, why is he doing that? You know. But then, as you grow up, you realize that just build the character in you, the discipline, the character, you know, and understanding of what the hard work means, you know.
Exactly. Yeah.
Personality,
for me,
right there. Personality.
it's always been like losing since I'm a kid. I hate losing. Like, I would get so mad when I lost. Like, I would just like, when I was a kid, I would cry. I was, and I mean, sports. I mean, of course you're going to lose, and that just like helped me, and like
It's normal, yeah.
Yeah, and that like to overcome that, and just also to persevere, to not give up on. Like, when you lose, you just have to go back to work and train harder. Just all this stuff, honestly, that you can bring to trading, to anything in life.
100%.
Yeah.
Like, honestly, school is important because you learn intellectual stuff and everything, but sports is like what builds character, and I think it's as important because, like, for me, mindset is the biggest difference between a successful guy and an unsuccessful guy. I mean, and if you think about it, it's all it is, because when you're trading, I mean, everybody can click the button, but like only difference is what you think in your brain and how you handle your emotions. That's all in your mind.
Yep.
Yeah. Because losing for me was the biggest ego problem that I had in any kind of area.
Oh yeah, I hate
Like,
it.
I was so competitive,
Same.
and then that competitiveness bringing into Forex, like, that's a bad thing, right? Because
it's good and bad. Like,
but it's more bad than the good. Because you sort of like try to take revenge trading and everything, and you hold in your trade and whatever. But then when you sort of accept yourself losing and accept that you're wrong, it just works out. You sort of, your ego just drops because you no more have any attachments to the outcome.
Yeah, but the thing is, what I see of it is like, I mean, in Forex, I mean, to be honest, it's going to take you a lot of losses and time before you really get it. And because I hate so much losing, and I learned from sports to just persevere, that's why I'm still here today. Because I can take 200, I can take 1,000, I can take 5,000 losses. I'm always going to try and make myself better, learn from it, and improve and persevere.
Trust me, man. I'm telling you, when I lost that 10K,
for the people that don't understand why they're talking so much about losing and that, this and that. This is not just trading. This is also sort of a podcast where people just talk and explain their ideas and explain the things that they, you know, that they experience. So listen to it. Our life lessons, guys. Come on.
I think we can share all that because we've been through like quite a bit, right? I'm not gonna say we've been more through than Raja or Ted or whatever, but we've been through our personal lessons as well, you know, that we can all learn together. Like, because when I lost the 10K in a week, I was just like, "Oh boy, my psychology just went downhill. Like it reached the bottom." But I had to, you know, as you say, Frank, persevere, understand my mistakes, understand my psychology and everything, and build myself back up. Yeah, and it wouldn't be for that where I am right now. So yeah, I'm happy for that loss because it builded me, me stronger. And I look at the things differently now, understand things differently, because you know every single loss is a lesson for you.
Yeah, there's a quote I saw from Tom Hardy, the actor. It's like there's two types of pain. There's like the pain that hurts and the pain that changes you. And for me, it's like, I do agree with that, but for me, it's like almost there's only one type of pain, and that's just like pain that really changes you. Because like for me, like big pain, it would just build your character. 100% for me, it's like.
Yeah, and to add to Luke's comment, guys, nothing is happening in the market, so there's nothing else to talk about.
It's good about talking about psychology and experiences.
Yeah, because right now we need to be patient in every kind of a way, right?
Otherwise, you're gonna be sitting here like, oh, when is this gonna happen? Just talk. It's all good, man.
Yeah. Okay. It takes your mind off at some point.
Yeah.
You just want to wait for this 30-minute candle to either close above and continue up or start rejecting this resistance.
Yep.
That's all really.
Oh, 50-50 right now.
Yeah, the 15 closing bullish, creating support, but then, you know, you have that. Like, it's just barcodes right now at this point.
Yeah, barcode.
Candle to candle. And I would just wait.
I'm not going to jump in anything like this.
I'm so patient today after yesterday.
What do you do then?
No, I mean, it's just the way that GG moved the bullish side, for example. It's just, yeah, that's what I've been planning. I've been planning for buys from that level. We spoke with Guala about the 400 daily resistance, and it just shot up from there. Yeah. But I didn't have a chance to touch New York, so I couldn't even trade. But yeah, with Guala, we spoke about gold levels at GJ, and everything came to fruition. And I'm just, you know, it builds your confidence in all that kind of way.
Yeah, looking back I'm sure some people took the buys like me. I think I should have been more patient and just wait. Like I said, the 15-minute close, very nice. If it just broke and closed above that 15-minute resistance, then it was good to go. But because that never happened, then it just went back. And that's like really what I should have waited for, because we had the nice close of the 30 minutes. If we would have just a 15 or break a 30-minute high, then it was nice to go. And the range was so big that I could have easily waited and just been a bit more patient with myself.
Let's see what this 15 is going to do. I mean, if we start breaking the lows, we should continue moving down towards 60 again at least. they were gonna really reject this level for two previous candles.
Yeah, I think this is breakfast time for me.
Nice. How many times do you go to the gym, Frank? Yo, Frank. Oh, you're muted. Oh, shit. Yo, Frank.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, now I go 5 times. I do.
Man, like Frankie.
I train push-pull legs. That's like my split
okay.
I like. And so I do like push, pull. I do 1 leg session, but I do a big one because my legs are actually kind of like a strong point. I don't want to have like these huge legs also. So I just do 1 session after push, pull again. So that's like 5 workouts. And in my legs, I do abs also a bit, and that's it. So if you don't know what push, pull is like, push is like everything you push. So it's pretty much pecs, triceps, and shoulders. Pull is biceps and back, and after legs is legs, and I do a bit of abs, and that's it. And also I try like maybe to get 1 or maybe like 1 to 2 max, but mostly 1 cardio session. But mostly I do it like a sport, like I go and play football with my mates, or just like, I don't know, go to the beach and swim, or I don't know, something like that.
And like Frankie doing the proper training in that. Well done.
Yeah. And you? What's your split, Augustus?
I have a really interesting one. So basically Monday is my chest day.
Okay.
Tuesday is my back day. Wednesday is legs. Thursday is shoulders, and Friday is arms.
Okay, you train. Okay.
So basically I train every single group different day.
Yeah.
And I just work it out. I give like I won't concentrate on a single group just fully. And I do like 2-3 times a week abs.
Okay.
And the cardio session, man, whenever I'm feeling, honestly, I just go for a walk.
Yeah.
I hate cardio. Like the thing is, like when you used to run football, it's fine because it's nothing monumental, right? You're not always running. Sometimes you have a little stop, this and that. So football running was amazing. You do sprint, then jog, this and that. But when you're on a treadmill, I love it, man.
Why don't you go boxing?
I was honestly thinking about that. Just give it a little try myself to
It's good, man.
Indulge into that thing.
A lot of fun.
Yeah, 100%, man. I was thinking that about a little boxing. Just get the cardio in, move your hands a little bit.
Yeah.
I probably would need to do that on the weekend.
It's interesting because like I like to train twice, like a muscle group in a week, and I've never been a fan of like just training like one like part and just like pretty much smashing it. But I mean, it works, and some people like that, and I'm not a big fan. But
yeah, the thing is, it worked for me in the past, so I'm just doing the same everything that works for me, because then I can feel through the muscle group. Yeah,
for me, it's like it's too much, and I like I said, I like to train twice my muscle groups in a week, and I do like my push and like my two. I do put emphasis like. One has emphasis on shoulders and the other one on triceps. I don't put any emphasis on my pecs because that's also like I don't want to say like a strong, like how do you say that, like a strong kind of body parts. Yeah. But yeah, it's like training. I mean, there's so many different styles and everything, and like you just stick into it, and I mean, it can work.
Yeah, whatever works, man.
Ours something about Stairmaster. Yeah, man, those things are insane. My father used to walk like 2-3 hours on one of those straight away.
Stairmaster. Not me, man. You would never see me on that one.
My father used to do like trials, like marathons, but then trials, and they were like 160 kilometers.
Oh wow.
And then one way, no
No
sleeping in between or anything, just one way, and then you even have to find your own path. till the end.
The guy says he wants to do David Goggins challenge. Ooh, that would be interesting.
4 miles every 4 hours for 48 hours. Oh shit. That's 1.90 m. That lift bar is so low to my leg. I probably have the same. I'm as tall as you.
Yeah, deadlifts is the days.
Start coming in. I need exercise, please. Holy shit. Let's see. It seems like Price is really rejecting that level again. Mountains give you big leg 100%. But he's still tiny, man.
Yeah, pretty boring. There's nothing happening on gold. I thought something nice would happen this London session, but nope. It's that 4-hour resistance. Gold just has such a hard time breaking 4-hour levels during London session. But I heard you guys talking about gym. I think I'm gonna sign up to this 24/7 gym and start going before the trading session starts.
Like
What's it called? Anytime or
Basic Fit. No, Basic Fit. That's the only one
that's
that's open 24 hours.
Oh, do you not have? Oh,
Anytime.
Anytime. Anytime's
No.
pretty good. There's hot chicks there now.
you should guys go together.
No, because he's
wait,
way
you
too far
live
away
quite
from me,
far,
man. I
innit?
live the other side of the Netherlands, man.
We should go what?
Man needs to take a plane together.
Almost. I
Pretty
could.
much. I can land
from
there, man. I can from Rotterdam to Amsterdam.
Yeah, exactly. I was about to say.
Take the plane. Helicopter.
Private helicopter. Yeah.
Yeah. There are two anytimes. There's a couple ones.
Yeah, there's one in Bussum, but then I need to take the car and go like 15 minutes with the car.
Oh yeah. Why don't you go with bicycle?
Because then with the bicycle it's gonna be like half an hour to get there, half an hour back. But this one is like 5-minute walk. Open 24
okay.
5.
Are you in the trade right now? No. I'm waiting. Waiting for this 30-minute candle close. It seems like price is really not doing a lot. GJ is coming down. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Big outs. Next time we're going to be looking to take that trade once we start breaking these lows again right here, the 5-minute. Then you can expect a fake out to happen. It's a pretty good opportunity right there. Can you do them in one go, Masterpiece? 100.
No, not in one go. I can take a little break in between. There was like a month or two where I would do 100 push-ups a day, but then I'd divide them in 5 sets of 20.
Okay. Yeah.
I can do 20 in a minute, probably.
Can you do one hand?
No, one hand.
One
Oh, I probably could, but I don't have the balance. I don't know how to balance myself. So
I one hand.
I want to try it now, man.
Nah, it's okay. It's easy.
okay, yeah, I tried it. I probably could, at least before. I definitely could, but I couldn't balance. So I didn't know. We got this 30-minute.
Question: How
closing
much
in
percentage capital tax in Netherlands for day traders? Well, you're not in
Almost zero.
Almost zero, but they're trying to change it, so it's going to be the same as it's going to be a percentage on how much you're making. They want to change it.
Oh, GJ is taking a dump.
Sheesh, damn. Coming downtown, into the alley. Yeah, but this is the reason why I just didn't want to take buys at all. Like, I was kind of close above, and I'm like, nah.
Wow. It was just smashing down.
Yeah.
That they be.
Yeah, but that's what I said.
Go
After
back up.
yesterday's push, I would expect to come into monthly, maybe retest monthly resistance back. Nearly 155 basically.
Yeah, and honestly, GJ is in a range. So yesterday there were some smart asses in my DM that are like, "Oh, I bought the daily low." I'm like, "Congrats, you bought support, and I sold resistance. We're both winners."
Oh shit, 42% taxes in trading in Denmark. You need to leave there.
Wow. Oh,
You're
just go to
paying,
Bali or whatever.
yeah, way
Yeah.
too much.
Ooh,
Man living in Denmark paying them big money.
man.
That's mad. Yo, nah. That's not what we're gonna do.
Now, for example, in UK, it's if you earn above 406k a year, you like the maximum you'll pay is 20%.
Very nice.
Very nice. GG is boring ass.
Yeah. In Lebanon, we pay 0% taxes at best, man. How about my chart? Look, let's take a look, man, like the lollipop. Ooh, shit, man, taking that swing thing. Yeah, makes sense. If price still keeps on respecting this level, then it should be good. And it faked out. Very nice. Add more lot once it's breaking close below. Okay, oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. How much tax do you pay in the Netherlands? Right now it's like only 1 or 2%, depends on how much capital you have. But soon it's gonna be probably on how much you're actually making. So there's going to be a percentage on what you're actually making. And that's a bummer, but it is what it is, right?
Darn.
What?
Damn.
Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the white pants. Have you not read that, Master?
No. Well, I knew they were changing it, but
Yeah, with the new election thing from a couple months
they
ago.
saw the Bitcoin profits. They're like, "Oh, wait a minute, we need to do something about this."
Yeah, now they're like, oh, they're like, in box 3 they wanna, you know, make everyone pay for the actual profit they're making rather for the than the
I see.
yeah things they already have planned. Because now it's like you pay 4% over how much is it? No, you pay over 4%. You pay like 30% or something. So it's pretty much nothing. But
Yeah.
that soon will change. They're gonna get us next year.
Yeah.
I see that 30-minute candle close above.
Mhm.
Now,
It's the range.
it's ranging. Look at the 15-minute time frame. We're still in this 15-minute zone.
Yeah.
So you might break the high, but to how far will we continue moving up, right? Like, if we continue moving up, we've got a 10 pip range until the top is gonna be like 15 pips. It's like, yeah, it's not that big. Oh man, like Augustus. Bang on. 17 pip profit. Thanks, Luke. Perfect. You took it. You don't have to thank me. Didn't say anything.
Oh, damn, nice. Somebody was paying attention in the YouTube.
Yeah, like you know, I have two screens, so it's just like
Bang bang.
rolling through, and then I see the guy, just two
Man,
guys.
you
Just,
got 2 screens. Sheesh.
yeah,
Man,
I'm gonna buy a new PC. Just
Really?
you know, yeah.
What?
But the thing is, I wanna do myself.
Build it.
Yeah, build it myself. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
100%.
nice.
It's gonna be cheaper, man, than buying it.
100%. One of my friends just built one as well. We helped him, me and Rafi.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Bro, that thing was sick, but the only
Well,
thing
the
was
thing is,
the graphic card wasn't up to,
Okay.
to what he wanted because the prices are just mad right now. I'm lucky, I just bought my PC before all that stuff. I build it, I mean. But mine is pretty basic. It's not like crazy or anything. Well, basic.
no, but I don't need crazy as well. I just need
It's good for
regular
10 years.
PC that does the job.
Yeah, it's good for 10 years, 100%.
Yeah, because I don't need to play games or whatever so much as well. Just
But soon,
do the
I
work
think
for
once
me.
all the chips comes again, when all these chips come again, price is gonna drop of a lot of things. Price is gonna drop, and
Yeah, probably because I have a guy that he sort of was building, like a friend of mine, and I just gonna ask him a couple of questions, in regards to the price to value difference.
Yeah.
What's good,
yeah. As example, my graphics card is now twice the price. Like, doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Only because of supply and demand.
Yeah, so I'll see what's about, but yeah, probably I'll begin July or August as I'm
Okay.
moving, because like I'll be moving and I don't wanna get a PC now and just do extra work to bring everything there.
Yeah, it's pretty easy though. Like, he got a PC fixed in like 30 minutes, 1 hour. It's all built.
100%, man.
Pretty easy. Computer prices are a scam right now. Yeah, pretty much. I paid 30% taxes here in Australia. Not happy. It is what it is, man. You gotta go to Monaco or Dubai.
Fucking hell, guys, you pay so much tax. Oh my god.
How much do you pay?
Right now, 15%.
Yeah, that's good. 15 is pretty okay. To be honest.
Yeah, but when I'm earning 406k a year, it's gonna be 20, but that's the maximum.
Okay. That's
Yeah,
okay.
that's the maximum they can charge you, because that's your income. That's not your wages. That's your income. So, for example, it's like capital income. So, let's say that you sell a house, and you get the portion, and that's your income payment.
Yeah.
Like capital income, and that obviously dependable on the money that you get is like 20%, 15%.
Okay. 40% is tax in South Africa. Jeez, man.
Yeah. In UK, you would pay
Guys.
40% unless you get wages.
In Cyprus, I think it's 12%.
So, for example, footballers has to pay 40% for the tax.
40%.
Yeah, because the guy Joe, UK capital gains, so 40%, because it's their wages. It doesn't matter that they get like 2 million a month. It's still wages, right? They're getting paid from somebody else.
Yeah, earned income is always taxed the highest.
Yeah, boys, we need to go to Dubai. Zero taxes.
Does Dubai actually have zero tax?
Zero tax, yeah, man.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
perfect. Yeah, then
Perfect. Yo,
I'd
Dimitri,
live somewhere
you
like
got
that.
a couple rooms left.
Dimitri, yeah.
Get the residency and shoot.
Yeah, man. Don't know how you get it, but yeah, Samuel, that's a good one. I'm gonna see how
It seems like GG wanna still drop, but like I can't sell it now. Yeah, it's just I'll be selling the low. I wanna see some support.
I'm looking at gold, but this thing is just standing still.
Yeah, it's just sitting there.
Yeah, we might see some range on gold before the news, right? Tomorrow.
Oh, if you can get permanent residence in Dubai if you just buy real estate. If you buy a residential property in Dubai,
Real estate
of,
is so expensive.
worth at least 1 million dirhams. How much? Oh, it's around 220k. That's okay.
That's okay.
That's not much, man. To be honest. With you.
Cheaper.
But
Cheaper
probably
than
gonna
UK,
get a hut.
man.
Probably gonna get a hut. That you still need to put together. So I don't know.
Cheaper than UK, boy. Man, they calling it Dubai rich, right?
Man like Draco Mamba in the gulag.
Yes, you can get an apartment around 205.
That's sweet cheeks, though.
They even say your Dubai trip is on us. Book now, and we book you a free affair. That's pretty cheap. Yeah, that's just ranging. I'll probably in New York you're gonna see a little move soon, I think.
It's like yesterday, boy. New York gave the move.
Same thing.
GJ absolutely smashed it.
$160,000. Oh, that's expensive. Okay. Yeah, there's not a lot of Bitcoin. 40k finally. Is it going up? When you pay for 20k for a new house and Turkey lives near a street. What? 50% trading tax. Home in Canada. Oh shit. Now living in Bali and pay 10% tax. Yeah, that's a lot better, man. That is a lot better. It's actually pretty okay. The house is, I mean, but Dubai is way too warm, man. That is like 50 degrees or something.
Joe Tyler, when you pay for 20k for a house and drug
Yeah,
dealers live on
it's
your street. To be honest, I got the same feeling, nearly. I got my dealers at me as well.
Hey guys, if you take profit for your crypto, do you still pay taxes? I mean, I don't. That's pretty much evading it, so... We still do, pretty much. Pretty much, we still do.
I don't pay taxes.
What do you do then?
Put it on a ledger. Fly it over to the States. Well, I'm American, so.
Oh yeah, it makes sense.
If it's on a
Morning,
ledger.
by the way.
Morning.
Morning, boy.
I was muted. I didn't have any restrictions. Luke put me on timeout.
And so say that again, like if you put it on the ledger and you go to America, because you're American, like
Yeah.
you don't have to pay taxes?
Yeah, you're gonna pay taxes, but not as much as you would here in Belgium.
How much
Right.
are the taxes in America?
Like 21%.
But still,
But they like capital gains or
Instead of the 45 that you pay out here.
yeah.
Like even some of my Forex profits I put on my ledger through Monero. It's crazy.
I think I'm gonna call it a day until NY gold is just
Makes
not
sense.
moving. Like
it hasn't moved in the past
It's-
10 minutes. at
yeah,
least.
it's literally just standing still. So yeah, gonna call it a day over here. See how this 4-hour closes, and
Back
hopefully
in
we have-
New York, right? To do the streams
Yeah,
or
yeah,
not?
100%. I'll do the NY stream. Hopefully there'll be something good.
let's Master P, let's buy this. Let's buy this and make an entire trading floor out of it.
Let's buy what?
Look at the price. Oh shit.
Oh damn,
But
What's
look
the-
how
damn.
massive that is, man.
that looks beautiful.
Make a trading floor out of it.
How much is that in euro?
Probably like
5
million.
2 million.
Oh yeah, was close.
Close. Sheesh.
There's this one. This one is sick though, but the inside I think is a little outdated. Actually, it's pretty good.
Damn, 6 million. for this
1.6
apartment.
million for this thing. Too much, man. Mad.
Nah, not enough. 1.6, too low.
Yeah.
Cheap.
Too cheap, man.
I don't talk cheap.
Man's like when he's gonna move, he's gonna buy 20 mil. What can you buy for that? There. Question. I mean, there's a couple of sick ones out there. Yeah, there's nothing to do right now. It's just prices. It's breaking a 15-minute
yeah,
low,
the
but-
price is cruise control.
Yep.
I'm definitely gonna live in Dubai, 100%.
It's warm there though, bro. Watch out. What you seeing right now?
Yeah, as long as you're inside, air conditioning.
Yeah, airco. You need airco, but once you got airco and you got a pool outside, then I'll be
Yeah, that's
Gucci.
all good.
I'm going
And your
to
pool
Spain.
becomes jacuzzi
This
after
one
that
is
heat, man.
sick, man. 3.4 million AED dirham. Look at this one. It's not finished yet, so you can do the outside. Oh wait, that's the price. This one is sick, but that's expensive still. I mean, if you calculate it, it's like how much is it? Yeah. Oh, the
That's-
760,000.
Oh,
But-
cheap.
Yeah, that's alright.
Cheap skate. No, that's pretty
easy
good.
yard to maintain.
What?
So that's an easy yard to maintain.
Yeah, you can't
Yeah,
get a
but-
pool in there, and then you're gonna be Gucci.
Yeah, but you want to get some grass and stuff like that.
Yeah. I'd rather get a pool
But
than
the-
grass with 50 degrees outside.
Yeah,
man.
both. Like a nice yard. I still want that sand. For me, honestly, once I get some money and like I feel good, I want to go to like Marbella or something like that in Spain.
I was thinking of the south of France as well, but
In Monaco.
taxes again. Yeah, but you know how expensive that is. That's even more
Yeah.
expensive than this, man.
Monaco
Like you
is
get
so
this
hard to
entire
get in.
house. Yeah, you can get this house, but if you want to go get into Monaco, that's gonna be a one room for 760,000.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So, you know, maybe just to put your company on it, but 760 for one room when you can have like residency to if you buy a house in Dubai and have the same taxes.
After the good thing is if you have a lot of money, I mean, then you buy a house, you put like your cash into it, like your couple mils, and at least it's pretty safe.
I mean, real estate in Monaco would be pretty good renting out.
No, it's not like for compared to what you pay in the cash flow you get. It's like Paris. It's like
Yeah?
all the big cities. It's very bad.
Oh, really? Damn.
The best in real estate is to buy something I would say pretty low and to have a big cash flow on it. So like the price you buy it is, I don't know, it's compared to the price you're able to rent it is very like low, and there's a
Okay.
big gap into it, and you
Yeah.
don't want to have the other side, like where you buy it is very expensive, and when you rent it it's pretty, like it's still expensive, but compared to what you bought it, it's low. Don't know
Yeah,
if that
makes
makes
sense. Yeah.
Because I mean, you can only, like, if you think of it, you pay a house of 1 million, you can, like, let's say you, I don't know, you rent it, I have no idea, like, let's say 1,000 for a week. And if you buy a house like 500, but you're able to rent it for like 850, it's way better to buy the house for 500 than to buy that house for 1 million.
Yeah, makes sense.
And then you got a comment in the chat, you can rent a Russian girl. Some people, man.
Yeah. Do some investing with
Oh,
them.
sheesh.
But I'm head off here.
Yeah, see you in a
also,
second.
yeah, one
Uh,
last thing
make
for
sure
the New
the
York
Zoom-
people.
Zoom,
I mean-
zoom. Remember.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna
Crash
stay in
the
the
Zoom.
Zoom. Yeah, I'm gonna stay in the Zoom. Yeah, one last thing for the YouTube. We have like around 420 people watching. So just make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in New York.
Perfect, man.
Take it easy, man.
Take
Easy.
care,
Take
guys.
care.
Leave myself on mute and head off.
Perfect. Wants to live in the UAE. I'll do it. Sure,
Check the WhatsApp, guys. That's me on football.
Wait, I have pictures as well of myself. Watch. Like, what do you mean, man? Why wouldn't I watch it?
Even Ocean Macedonia, bro.
I mean, sometimes those games are the most fun to watch because, like, sometimes the big teams, I mean, they're so good and, like, nothing really happens. Don't know if
Yeah,
that makes
it's like
sense.
yesterday, man. Spain was playing Sweden, man. Spain had the possession of probably 80% or 85, whatever.
Nothing
Man,
happened.
Nothing happened.
That's the thing. Like, sometimes when they're too good two good teams, and also like when they have something to lose, like they just like kind of like don't take any risks. And those like kind of shit teams, like they just,
Oh, well, Spain doesn't have a proper striker anymore, so that's the problem.
yeah, I don't know, no clue.
Yeah, Morata, this guy is a joke.
District. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Amsterdam.
Red light district in Amsterdam, Luke.
You know it.
Yeah. It was like a new experience for me when I seen it, and I was just like,
Well, I was about to say when I went there. Whoa.
yeah,
you
especially
were
at
gonna say
night,
that.
it was just like, whew.
I never been there myself. That's funny. Never been.
Really?
Yeah.
There's
never.
not, to be honest, there's nothing much to see.
Yeah.
People pay for that, happy days, but
I've seen like
Nothing
a
much.
district in Bristol before. Never. Have you taken any trade yet? No, I'm waiting, man. Gold is just at the same spot for a long time. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, we're just ranging inside this zone in this little box of 20 pips, 25 pips. So, yeah, we need to wait until we can get something. Oh, this is sick.
my guy said, how much is standard price for renting a woman?
What?
On YouTube.
I got no idea, man. You gotta go there yourself. Oh shit.
My guy went there and he paid, I think, 100 euros.
Oh, man, just selling your soul right there. For
For half an
real.
hour.
Selling your soul right there, man. To be honest with you. I wouldn't have any self-respect anymore if I go there.
Yeah, my friends go a lot. They're nasty.
It's nasty, man.
They're disgusting.
Hey, how many dicks
Selling
do
your
they
soul.
have a day?
Oh,
like 300, bro. I don't know.
Man, they have like the whole Bratwurst sausages like every single day, man.
It's kind of messed up.
Yeah. And they have
But
everyone.
at the end of the day, I've always said this. I have more respect for a lady that does it for money than your neighborhood slut that does it for free.
Oh shit! I didn't say anything.
Facts are facts.
It's
I mean, it makes
Facts
sense
are facts.
because people need to live, right?
Right?
If people need to live, and
Exactly.
if that's how they make money, fair enough. Like, I don't judge them. Like, that's how they make money. It's just not for me, right? Like, or whatever.
Yeah, not for me either. Forget that.
You never know, girl, with that t-shirt off.
Nah, bro. I'm a handsome young man. All I gotta do is pull up somewhere and talk to the girls. That's it. Oh, you know, I got me. I got me, bro.
Fixed, you know. And got it fixed.
You know, my girl just left. You know what I mean?
Wow.
You just show them the ledger and they're like, ooh.
No, that ledger's stored away.
Man's go to
Safe.
the club, say he has millions, and then he can't pay for it because he has everything on the ledger.
Yeah, but we don't take cryptocurrency. I'm like, boy, better upgrade.
You're lacking, man.
You're lacking. You missing out on money, bro.
You're lacking.
Man can't show off in that.
You see me throwing Monero coins. Digitally holograms.
Man's coming in to pay with Cardano and that.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I think I'm about to close these GAs.
Are you in GA trade?
Yeah.
Buying?
I'm marrying it. No. Selling it.
Oh, yeah. Don't marry that then. Oh, I see. I see
Oh,
what you
it's
mean.
not moving, man. Come on.
Yeah, but GA, I'm a lot more bullish than sales.
Yeah, I want to catch the counter though. It's coming. I feel it.
Mm-hmm.
Every time it's coming. But I don't want to marry it.
Nah,
I'm down
don't.
like
Just
5 pips now. I could cut it.
divorce, baby.
I'm down 7 pips. That's not bad.
Wow, what quiet morning it is today. Very
It's
late.
not moving, man. We're just ranging.
God, it's horrible.
What a quiet morning.
Well, go on. There's someone asking me how old I am. 22. Very hard. Support local female entrepreneurs. Come on, man.
You know the
Go.
drill.
You can't be like that. You can't be like that.
I mean, if you're smart with the OnlyFans and all that stuff. you can-
I was walking
Yeah.
through the red light street, like daytime. There
Yeah.
was like one old woman was sitting there, man. I was like, I love it, man. It's
You're like,
just
man, like
disgusting, man.
Augustus, come close. I'm gonna tell you a story.
Oh, it was disgusting, man.
Mad. Yeah, if you
Man,
go there, you're
but
just
they are
selling
so
your soul,
eager to
man.
take you. They are so eager to take you. We just passed by one of the little corridors in there. Man, they opened the doors and talk to you. They're so eager to to get your money. It's a joke.
But at the end of the day, you're selling your soul. If you went there, you sold your soul. No discussion, man. No discussion.
Bai is gonna have a little chat with you, man, after this.
I didn't want to say it, but man, selling the soul.
Bai is gonna come up strong saying, what are you on about?
Can we exchange grilled dollars to my Dominion Markets life account? Just use no, or the bank account. Just use crypto then. Open Binance, use crypto, and then push it through. I think that should be good, man. I think that should be good.
GG, what a rejection.
The forest like 2 months ago. Got myself a nice lady that moves like gold. Called Chiyu. Yeah, it makes sense, man. Like that's the blonde girl around the block.
Blonde girl around the block. Huh?
Seen walking past. Can't touch it. No man's left his wife. It is what it is, man. Yeah, GJ is. I don't know about him anymore, man. It's way too slow.
I look at gold.
Yeah, goals no, not moving anyways, so waiting.
GJ is coming down, coming up. I mean, it's still range, but it's doing that pretty like with volume. I mean, gold is nothing.
Oh damn, Joel. I don't know about that. Okay. You can cheat on her with EN. It's a trio. I think if we start flipping on the daily time frame, we should continue moving down.
But look at the 1 hour. If the next 1 hour can break this
low.
current,
Yeah.
now the high hours. I'm
I'm looking at the low, man.
Yeah.
I'm not looking for buys right now, to be honest with you. Buys above 69. It's about the same subject anyways. But it depends. If this 1 hour closed without a bottom wick, yeah, then there could be some buys coming into play. But look at the 30-minute. Doesn't have a top wick as well.
Yeah, but looking at the 4 hour, you would want to be in some buys than just selling, hoping that the 4 hour closes weak.
Yeah, Samuel messaged me. I can't find you anymore on the chat, so message me again if you can.
Can you check if my sell bias? Yes, sir. Like Victor. Give me 1 minute. Let's see how this close is on gold. I mean, the weaker it closes, the better it is. Seems like it's going down. I mean, this candle's weak, rejecting. This candle's rejecting. Like below 65, you could be selling 64. At least.
Well, GJ, if it's coming back into Asian range,
There you go.
4 hour never break the low. So
Push up,
If it's
gold.
to go
Push
up.
up, push up, push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. 10 seconds. Come on, make a wick, man. Don't be like that. There you go. No bottom wick. For it. Yep.
For me, it's 20 seconds left.
No bottom wick on gold closure. The 1 hour time frame. Now if we make a good top wick and retest 66, start flipping or start breaking 65.5, I'm gonna be looking for sells. Yeah, I'll use the force. Someone's smashing his computer. Stop,
No,
loss,
it's
go
me,
ahead. It was a joke.
Smash my leg into the place.
Stop loss. Bang. Let's see if it pushes back up and starts flipping, breaking its own low. Like it needs to push higher, push higher, push higher. Come on. And then we're gonna be looking to take a little sell, maybe at the previous 1 hour low right here, because then it's a little bit more structure being broken. But the only thing like I don't like right now is selling against a no bottom wick 1 hour candle low. But let's see. I mean, if we have 50-minute support being created, then it should be good.
Raja finally in Pakistan, isn't it?
Yep.
Mhm.
Well, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna sell probably below the 65.4 area. I don't think that this zone is gonna do us too good. They're kind of rough. Yeah, there you go.
Ooh.
I'm not in yet. Didn't get in yet. Saw it happening, didn't get in yet. Want to wait a little longer. I'm waiting. Gotta understand this happened in the first 2 minutes, right? So take it easy. This happened in the first 2 minutes. Take it easy, guys.
I've been in from 1867.
Yeah, nice. I was wanting to sell once, where was that? Right here.
That's
67
my
too.
entry right there.
Exact. I was
That
looking at the same
exact-
thing.
I told you guys, I'm like, don't sell, don't buy it, bro. It's gonna be choppy way down, but I
saw
could
this
get some pips
happening.
out of it.
Yeah, I saw this happening. I was like, should I sell? And like, I don't know yet. Didn't
gotta
do
act.
it, but it was a good opportunity right there. I'm waiting on this one because it's
gotta
the
act.
first 2 minutes.
Keep pulling back some.
Yeah.
Before.
I want to see
but-
this 5-minute close bullish, right? And then the next one break this low at 65.4. Then, yeah, then we're gonna go downtown.
Yeah, this is kind of
It's
muddy
because
situation.
it has no bottom wick, right? So I was like, let's wait. And if we start re-breaking the low after 5 minutes support got formed, then we're just we have a possibility to go at least 10 pips down.
I see a deeper retracement actually.
Yeah.
We're going
Could
up.
do. I agree. It looks fishy. Look, yeah. Just gotta wait. Wait. Okay, your USD, please. Send in the chart. Twenty seconds left for this 5-minute to close. Hopefully, close bullish, but could do if it doesn't. Don't want to jump in yet.
You know what it is? If you anticipate the news to be positive,
Yeah.
which core retail is by a lot, then this is gonna reach lower lows today. If that makes sense.
I'll take a look in a second, Cody. A 5-minute close. It's a weak close though of this 5-minute candle, so.
That makes sense. Makes so cool.
There you go.
Yeah, GG no movement even 9 o'clock. I don't see nothing that. Maybe this half an hour might push to the top of the range. That would be nice.
Yeah, there it's moving. Still deciding. Like 50-50. This candle closed pretty weak, right? It did close bearish, but let's see.
I would say wait for some support to break. Like
Yeah, that's what I was
at least on a
thinking too,
5.
because otherwise it's going to be the same thing as the days before. Well,
I
you're
think
gonna...
gold is coming now to 64.
Yeah, it is. Should do. And if you had your entry at 65.3, that would have been pretty good.
Hmm.
I just,
The way that 15 closed below support on 15, so
Yeah. Well, sort of. It's like a tricky situation, right? Because that 1 hour doesn't have a bottom wick. So that's why I'm a little bit more careful right now. I rather, you know what I want to see, Augustus?
Mm.
I want to see this next 5-minute close bullish, and then a break of the lows.
Mm-hmm.
because that makes a lot more sense to sell off. Like, otherwise you're going to do the same thing, right? Let's say you have this zone right here. Price didn't make any support at this zone, and you're going to just continue to sell off. I mean, it makes sense. Continue moving down, but rather wait for one little candle to be bullish, though. But if you're in right now, you should be at around 4 pips profit. And I think it's should be good enough to keep on running.
You could have got in at the flip though. There's already been like almost 10 pips.
Yeah. Got in at the flip. Yeah, that would have been 10 pips, but it is what it is. Just waiting. Rather wait, because it's still a delicate situation, right? What I was saying about that 1 hour.
Even in the 5 minutes, if you look, once the low got broken, you got clean 13 pip range.
Yeah, I know. But I just want to see support being formed on the 5.
100%.
Yeah, but on the 30, they didn't have a bottom wick either, so it's like.
Yeah, also in the 1 hour, like it's moving down right now, and I understand
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
But the probability of that happening, and the probability of price doing this to you, right? It's coming down, it's coming down, and all of a sudden it's gonna do this.
Yeah.
It's high. So rather be a little bit more careful. Like.
And you had a 15 minute support over there. So you didn't have a bottom wick, and you had this support.
It was risky sell, 100%.
Yeah, risky sell.
Yeah.
100%. So I was like, hold back a little and see where it can take it later on. I mean,
if you can perform support at 64 and then break through, you have clean candles as well going down.
Yeah, much
that's
better
the thing.
sell.
Much better, so 100%, because then we're out of side of this range fully, right? So.
I mean, I don't see it risky. It was at daily support.
Yeah, 4 hours support as well.
And 4 hour support. And if you look on the 5 minute and your price action is there, like I'm up like 35 pips now, you know.
Oh, you took it?
Yeah.
Oh, he's always taking that trade. That's his
bro, it's daily. That's why I was typing. I couldn't talk. I was typing. I said, don't buy this, bro.
Man's trying to let
everyone
get hit.
know.
Panic attack, boys.
I'm telling you.
Nah, well done, well done, man.
Yeah, thanks, bro. I gotta make up the loss from yesterday.
Yes, I've seen it.
Yeah, nasty, wasn't it?
Yeah, man. I told you, Guala. I told you.
I already made it back. Matter of fact, let me just, collect some right here.
You gotta laugh,
your
man.
kids.
Collect something.
Yeah, I mean, if this 4 hour flips.
Yeah, I was looking at the same thing. I was like, if this 4 hour flip.
Yeah, if it flips, it's game over.
Yeah.
I mean, it already flipped. If it breaks its own low, that's what the thing. It already flipped. It already flipped a couple of times. Just needs to break its own low.
Yeah,
especially
we got this 4 hour closing soon, so I'm just like really gonna be interesting to see how it closes.
I mean, it was a pretty good move from that top level. Was
shooting all the way back up. Swear to God, I see this the 4 hour just like, ha, got him.
Yeah. Oh, you guys taking sales? Sweet.
Yeah, that's why I'm really being careful.
Let me take your profits for a second.
I took something off the what's it called already?
Yeah, daily has potential.
It's flipping.
Yeah, it's about to flip.
But yesterday's rejection was huge, though. So it's gonna be interesting to see.
Now we're gonna have a wick fill today.
Yeah.
On daily?
Yeah.
Or 4 hour?
4 hour.
Yeah. Well, daily.
4 hours.
Daily is huge and it's nice.
Yeah.
It's huge, yeah.
If you see, can you go to the daily look?
1 second. I'm a little bit focused.
Oh man, it's a little bit focused. There's no support, bro.
Wait it.
Man, 15 closes in 4 minutes. Just wait.
Yeah.
Just wait.
I know.
Go on daily.
I know.
Go on daily. Chill.
I know. Relax. I'm not jumping in anything yet. Relax.
On the daily, we had like a retest of this area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is this bar. So this should fill the wick and go a little bit lower.
Yeah, exactly, because it closed under that support, so
Yeah,
you should
yeah.
expect it to keep going.
We got a question in the gulag. Do you use a stop loss?
No.
Don't think
Never.
about it. Nah.
I saw on
That's for
Trading Nut,
pussies.
I saw on Trading Nut there was one guy, he's trading NAS 100, and he said to trade properly in NAS you don't use stop loss. I was like, wow, okay.
He's mad. Yeah.
He has a
That's
point
just-
though, because if you watch it how it moves New York session, it's like you have a stop loss, you're gonna get wicked 90% of the time.
Yeah, but what if that
I
wick
saw
goes
that
further
too.
up and your risk is
Yeah.
gonna get absolutely destroyed?
Yeah, maybe a new something. I don't know.
My stop loss.
Iran attacking some country. You could get killed.
My stop loss is the broker stop loss, margin call. That's it.
Yeah, but it's like running in the middle of a battlefield, right? Everyone is shooting from side to side, and you're just running through there like it's nothing.
If I don't get a call from them, I'm sweet though.
Don't call me up, fam.
Yeah.
When the phone goes, the bump goes. Over.
You switch off your phone.
You can't call me.
Yeah. I didn't receive any call.
Never and always full margin. Yeah, that's 10 pip stop loss, full margin. Yeah, there's 5 minutes having a hard time. So let's see. It still didn't break this low at 9:30 yet, so we gotta wait.
Yeah, it's a tough zone.
Yeah.
We had rejections here, and kind of here.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, what I said before, I rather want to see that next 5 minute close small bullish, and then the next one break the lows and bang on continue down.
That'll be Gucci.
Yeah, Gucci, man. That would be best situation, to be honest with you. Can't get it really any better than that. Let's see, 50 seconds for this candle to close, the 5 minute candle. That just, no bottom wick. Oh no, we're going down. Yeah. It's more clear on the 1 hour.
GG rejecting Asian high, so if we can form a resistance here, that would be lovely.
But looking at GG on the daily, this looks so bullish, man.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
I was looking for buys today as well.
Yeah, but it hasn't got a bottom wick on the daily.
It does.
Depends on the broker. I'm looking on FXCM and it does. Tiny.
FXCM, yeah.
It's alright. I mean, it's not the biggest.
There
yeah,
go, 5 minute
facts,
kind of
but
close.
Yeah.
This one needs
But to be honest,
show a little bullish momentum.
my range today like this, GJ, because we had the daily resistance,
Oh,
right?
geez.
And then
They're
tomorrow,
resisting at 50.
yeah,
Yeah, 500.
Yeah.
But it's like few pips away, right? It was just it was like 2 pips away from it. So yeah, I mean, if we can come back down tomorrow to 155, to create that higher low on daily, I mean, that would be amazing. Because we already broke the structure. We broke the resistance. We closed above. We closed above the monthly resistance as well on daily. So if we can
There you go,
tap
just
and
broke.
leave-
Yeah, this monthly bar should close bullish. So we're just creating the down wick, and this should flip and go bullish and go
Yeah.
to 157 around the area.
I've got-
156.
Oh shit, my mouse is stuck. No fabricating.
You in loop?
I have one dynamic risk position, waiting for one more 5 minute to close bullish.
Okay. Oh, the 15 just opened. Okay.
It is
I
at that
didn't
support though.
I didn't even pay attention to that. Yeah, 30-minute support. Yeah, I'll wait.
Want to see? I have one small position here, like very small position, and if we see a 5 minute support being formed and then the rest being broken, I'm gonna.
I hope
put
it
one
flies
more
for you down.
position. Yeah, I rather want a 5-minute support and flying that right now.
Yeah.
I wanted to fly for you, but I don't want it to fly so I can get my entry, but I would want to take you.
Yeah, but just
It's like,
you know,
No, but if it flies, it's Gucci.
yeah,
yeah.
let's see. I mean, at the end of the day, it's pretty a delicate situation. So, let's see.
BPK, what's your full name? So I can just call it out.
Carlos.
Carlos! Man like
Yeah.
Carlos! Sick!
So yeah, GJ is respected Asian high. So it would definitely be nice for GJ to come back to 155 before pushing higher.
Yeah, totally agree. You have to do a higher low also on the 1 hour, for example.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm waiting for also.
Yeah, it's delicate. I'm waiting for that 5-minute support, and if the 5-minute support forms, gonna add my other position in. Small risk, guys. Small risk is still pretty aggressive, this one. So, it could go flip back up all the way in milliseconds and create that support. So be careful.
You gotta take the risks.
Yep. Take the
Risk it for the biscuit. Yeah, but today GJ and gold absolutely slow.
Yeah, gold's really slow. That's why I'm only small risk, right? So it's all good if we come back up or back down or whatever.
But you're at 10 pips. So.
Yeah, it is what it is. If we come down, we come down. If we go up, we go up.
So if I could stay in this trade till the news hits, man, I hope that news turns positive, bro.
What, tomorrow?
No,
Hey.
today.
Is it
Today?
today?
They're calling positive news, so if that
Yeah.
they're calling positive news, bro, we're gonna break levels. And the next level I see is 1814, 1815 on the daily.
Oh, I
that
see why
news is
GJ is
there.
ranging as well.
I mean,
Yeah,
on the
you know what I
daily,
mean?
Bailey speaking as well.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, Bailey speaking. We got the core retail sales.
Yeah, wow.
And
But
if-
tomorrow
and-
we got USD news as well, FOMC, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then I would already be out of my gold position because, you know, right after
Oh
news
shit,
is
there
done,
you go.
it
10 pips got
retraces.
hit. 10 pips got hit.
Good shit, bro.
nice.
I have a runner left. Stop losses at break even.
Man like Luke K.
I have a small runner running. Bank $25. And the rest is at break even. Might want to put the stop loss a little bit higher. Above the
So your stop loss was 10 pips, yeah?
yes. Yeah.
Okay.
10 pips. I'm risking one more thing, €1.60 above the 5-minute previous high. Above the 5-minute current high. 15
I'm up
pips
53
running.
pips. 53
Man
pips.
like go out. Man, it's just gonna
While I was
drop.
making bank. Yeah, probably.
Yeah, it has to go to 1825.
4 hour would fail, so previous one.
1825, you said.
Yeah,
You're looking at that
Jesus.
daily support.
You
yeah.
see it too. And that's why I said it's gonna stagger around until the news comes, and then when the news comes, it's gonna break the levels to get to where it needs to go.
You
And
heard
if
it
you
here
look on the
first.
weekly,
Oh, I see what
But that
you're
I
talking
drop,
can see
what's
more
that-
downside.
Guys, what's that drop? I didn't see it. This kind of was 1 second, right? What happened? I looked around and I was like, everyone got tapped in and the notification bells went on the trader, but I didn't see what happened. I think it was like in a millisecond it went down and touched 10 pips and then it just went moving again. But I made sure that this trade was also 1-to-1 risk reward. Just lacked on that last time a little bit too much of a stop loss, and partial closing wasn't in the same lane as that risk was, so made sure that I fully got profit at the 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. And now I have just a small runner running.
Taking off some profit at this 1 hour support.
Mhm.
Something.
Yeah.
Something.
Yeah, you see.
That's the
61.
rejection area. Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, I'm looking at the same thing, looking to close 50% at that level and then leave the rest running down towards 45. Might sound a little low, but with news we could definitely make that.
Bro, if you also look on the 1 hour, it failed to get the higher high push. So it was just destined to come down.
Yeah, this kind of move, it's what's telling you that, hey, we're going lower.
Yeah, these are the breadwinners right here.
Fake, yeah.
These are the breadwinners right here.
Yeah.
Guys, if you took the trade and made some profit, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 11k this week, so if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Yeah, we waited the entire morning. Remember that. Like, we've been waiting
Love gold.
nearly 3 hours. Nearly 3 hours of waiting till a small trade comes up. Permitted trader glitched me. Oh, damn. That's not good. Let's hold a hand for
Look.
45. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah.
It's true that if you reach 15k, you're gonna dye your hair red?
It's already red, man. What are you talking about?
No, but red.
Oh, no.
Man's gonna put
Ferrari red.
Ferrari red. 100k.
100k. Come on,
Can you put
15k.
Ferrari sign as well, man?
I know we already had something at 50k. What was it? I forgot it. We said it yesterday. What was it again?
Don't say that you're gonna dance or some kind of shit.
Already danced, man.
Okay,
Already danced.
so
Already
next
danced.
step,
Okay, naked
Oh!
boy.
We're going
naked.
Get naked like the drink.
Bro, BK, your laugh is next level, man.
Oh,
Man's
come
gonna
on,
provide the
if
red light
he gets
for you.
naked, he's gonna lose all the subscribers, guys.
On 50k, I'm going bald.
Hey, red
15.
light street and that.
50. No, not 15. Are you mad?
5-0.
Yes, 5-0. No dots in between. Yeah, man. I don't even have to dye my hair color for the orange Holland team. Is it too late to enter? Yes. Wait for 5 minutes support to form. Hopefully this is not going to take me out, but let's see. I mean, it might do a pullback. The 30-minute closing soon. But if it takes you out, it takes you out, right? Doesn't really matter. You have small things running.
GG's doing what I like to do. So,
What was that? Probably gonna take me out, but let's see. Can you scalp gold with 5 pip spread? Wait, what do you? What? How do you have 5 pip spread, man? I have a 1 pip. 1 pips. Oh, 5-minute close without a bottom wick and a top wick. That's nasty. That could do both things. Let's see. I'm still thinking about putting my stops at 64.4. But let's see. Don't know
Okay,
yet.
we could have a 5-minute retest.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Continue dropping.
5-minute retest towards 63.
Also, it has to create a 30-minute down wick. So I think.
Yep. Look at my CP. Can you look at my analysis on GJ? Yeah, we're ranging. That's the only thing I gotta say. Bang, bang, bang. It's that easy, man. Nothing much. No, I'm still deciding if I'm gonna put the stop loss right there or not.
Do what your gut feels like, bro.
On one side, it's
your
like
first intuition thought of what you first was gonna do. What you thought was gonna. That's what you have to do right now. Don't even tell nobody. Just do it like Nike.
just do it.
Just do it like Nike, bro.
That's one of the best slogans, though. To be honest with you.
Yeah, for real. Just do it.
But I think we should respect this 5-minute high, right? And that's what I'm thinking about. Like, we shouldn't flip on the 15.
Yeah, I'm more thinking about we should respect this 30-minute structure coming up.
Yeah.
If we don't respect that, then I'll cut all my positions as well.
It's looking good. It's making a good wick for it to continue going down. I would say
Yeah.
it closes under that support, like you said.
Ooh, it's coming back up.
This is. I really gotta see when it taps that area, what it does. I can't say it now. It didn't tap yet.
My setup is like
A
now
little bit
it
more
should
zoomed
make
in.
a 15 bullish, and next one when it breaks the low, then I'll take it for it to continue going down.
I mean, if this 5-minute makes it support, I think it should be moving. Yeah, let's see.
The only thing is we get so close to the 4-hour close.
Yeah. You know what I might do? I might keep my runner stop loss above the 5-minute, 50-minute high right here. And then if we come back to break even, just close 50% of the runner and leave the rest around. Give it a chance, you know.
I mean, because the 30 is closing, the third, I say, like
Yeah, it's
the
gonna
last
pull back.
area. Yeah, and the last area where it's not allowed to break is at least the 30-minute high. If it breaks that, then it's really invalid. But as long as the
30-minute high.
yeah, but like as long this 15 could break its own the bearish high, but it could still go down afterwards. I don't know if it makes sense.
Yeah,
what
but
I'm
at that
saying.
time, like I already secured profits. I'm not gonna let
Yeah,
my
for sure.
thing run into a negative.
The 4-hour did the same thing. It broke its own high, the previous one, and now it's falling. So
Yeah,
That's what you need to be careful for. If this doesn't respect it, I'm cutting all positions. Look at
No,
this
if-
15 rejection.
Yeah,
the 30 close is already important.
But if the 15 is rejecting like the, I'm closing. Gotta
Yeah,
close.
yeah,
I closed.
it takes holding support.
I'm off. Ooh, someone just took a buy at 62.4. Shit. Savage.
Savage 62.4 on gold.
Yeah, is someone in the chat?
Well, no confirmations, just straight.
Thing.
Banga. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. You stupid as fuck for that.
Oh, relax, relax,
My bad.
relax, Guala, relax. I know you want to roast people. I know it. Relax.
God, I killed it, man.
You know, man.
My bad, bro.
No problem. Yeah. That's the thing. Let's see. Right, take the random trades and price and profit. Yeah, I bought.
You know, it's nice. The 30 close, I think it could break the high, but
Let's get those likes up for the stream,
It's a good
guys.
close.
These are
the
rookie
5
numbers. Look at the Microfluidity team. It's always insightful. Least we can do is let the algorithm suggest this channel to other traders. Yeah, man. Henrik, thank you, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We got 450 people in, and we only have 200 likes. Come on, man. Can at least hit 300. Easy. Yeah, that's it is what it is. 2 profit, 10 pips profit secured at like 90% or something. Yeah, like 90%. Left 10% running, 10% got out. It is what it is. It's still very nice. It's rejecting this area right now.
yeah.
But
if
it was a
this-
good trade.
Mhm.
Continuation in the trend. Hello, Mario.
This one bullish, next one breaks the low. That's could be nice.
100 SMA. I don't know what that is, man. Ooh, guys, by the way, we're about to nearly hit 10.4k. So 18 left. Don't forget to subscribe. Gonna hit that thing, and then maybe in New York session we'll hit 10.5, and then we have 3 more days to hit the 11K. But don't forget. Thank you, man, Gloria. Thank you. Cool. Those. And that buy was valid when then A. I don't know, man. I don't. Maybe it's your analysis that made it valid. Going full margin on the subscribers count there. Yeah. Trying to hit that 10 pips. Sunny, relax, take it easy. Look, you done well to manage your trade. Well done. Thank you, Ame. Thank you. With no work, it's very bullish, very bearish. Yeah, this was just an indecision candle on the 5 minute. This candle was just the open, close, just nothing. So yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna call this one a stream. It was a very good stream. I hope you learned on this stream. You know, I think the most important thing we learned on this stream was to be patient. You know, be patient. We waited nearly 3 hours for a trade to happen, right? So next time, just be patient, and you know, wait for the correct trade to happen until you're gonna execute. So it wasn't about the trade. You learned nothing about the trade. You learned about the patience that just happened today. So it's not bad to talk about other things at the same time, because that's gonna, you know, make you a little less needed to be in a trade. Very good, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh wait, we got one question. Luke, you're the best. Got that question though. How's the news going to affect gold? Yeah, that's gonna be crazy, man. So you better look out for it. If you're not experienced enough, just don't trade it. Just leave it. Are you coming back for New York session? Yeah, Master P is gonna do it on my channel. So guys, if you want to be in the New York session, make sure you're on this channel. Master P is gonna host it. So if you like Master P, be there, be square. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning again, and Master P obviously this afternoon. See ya.